The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, as anticipated from leaks and rumors, aims to be a standout mid-range smartphone in 2026 by packing serious performance and all-day endurance into an affordable package. Although official specs aren't confirmed yet, many leaks suggest it could be powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 class chip, a significant jump up from its predecessor, delivering snappy real-world performance for gaming, multitasking, and 5G connectivity. Alongside that, a massive 7,000 mAh battery would make the A57 one of the longest-lasting Galaxy A phones ever, giving plenty of uptime for streaming, browsing, and productivity without daily charging. On the imaging front, a 50MP main camera with advanced processing should handle sharp daylight shots and detailed video, backed by solid secondary sensors for ultra-wide and macro snaps. With 5G support, a vibrant AMOLED display, and Samsung's refined One UI experience, the Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be a highly compelling option in the mid-tier segment, combining flagship-inspired specs and endurance at a value-oriented price. A clear step forward for Samsung's A-series lineup. Note, these specs are based on leaks and expected trends, and the final device details may vary at launch.